Hello friends, welcome back. How are you all? Friends, after a long time. Friends, let's see what's the current scenario of your person and what's going on in their person's life and the third party. Let's see what's the reading of third party and your person. Five of Cups, Strength, and Three of Wands. At present, I feel the third party is hiding something from your person. I feel so because it's a Five of Cups. They're definitely regretting something at present. In this, you can see the Five of Cups. All the cups are fallen down. Most probably, only one cup is left. All the cups have fallen down. Generally, in Five of Cups, what we see, three cups are fallen down and two cups are secured. But the relationship of the two person is secured. That couple's relationship is secured. That person could not see that, but they are crying. But in this, you could see this person is holding a lamp in his hand, and all the cups are falling down except one, and one person is running away in the sea in the backyard. So I definitely feel this person, third party, is definitely hiding something from your person, whether either they must be having some secret about themselves, or a secret person in their life, or some another person in their life which your person doesn't know at all. So definitely I see this kind of situation in the third party right now. Just see the Five of all the cups are spilled down, oh, except one. That's your person. Except that all the cups are split. So I feel definitely this person is hiding something from your person, and the third party is very wild now. I feel they are in a very angry mood. They are not feeling good. I feel this way, and your person is trying to console them or trying to hold them, because this person is very wild. Actually they are wild because of some other reasons, but they are venting out their anger on your person, and your person is feeling guilty also because of that also, and they are trying to pacify the third party. Just see how the third party is trying to dominate your person, and your person how they are see begging in front of them, and or maybe the case that the third party is begging in front of your person and trying to manipulate them, and your person is listening to them. Both the things are possible in this. Both the things are possible. Sorry friends, I am having some throat problem, because of that I am not doing much reading also. Ten of Pentacles and reverse, Six of Wands, and the Magician. So the family life, whatever your person is in, suppose they are in a committed relationship or they are in a married life, everything is not well in that place. You can say the Ten of Pentacles is completely reversed. So I feel there is something is not right in that place. Let's see Victory card, how this person is trying to show to the world that he or she has won the battle and they are very happy, but the condition is not that actually what they are trying to show exactly. Just see, this person definitely has a support of 2-3 people. I can say that if I consider this card of third party, the third party has definitely backup of many people at present. They are having a tribe that is helping this person in front of community or in front of everyone or family members, to show them that they are powerful and they can achieve anything that they want. The third party definitely has a support of big community, I could say, or big friends, or a big tribe. In family also I could see so many people supporting them, because they know how to play their game. They are kind of manifestor. They know very well how to play their game, how to manipulate things, how to manipulate your person. This person is very smart. This person is very smart, but I definitely feel this person is hiding something from your person which your person doesn't know at all. Your person doesn't know at all. Let's see whether this hiding, what they are hiding, will come in front of your person or what. The Wheel of Fortune card is coming, and the Ten of Wands and the King of Pentacles. Just see, at present your person is very grounded. Your person is very humble also, I feel. They are very grounded at present. But just see, the Wheel of Fortune card, the person is holding a knife in scissor in their hand. So they are definitely trying to cut the strings of you and your person. They are trying very hard. this third person is trying very hard to break these strings that is attaching you and your person. They are trying to break those strings, and this person is feeling very pressurized also because of that. They feel, I hope, I think they know something about you also. They know something about you and your person's relationship, and because of they feel very pressurized to cut this relationship. So they are working very hard at present, but at your present your person is very grounded. Your person is very grounded and they are very humble, and they are trying to stay balanced. That I can say that your person is trying to stay balanced, but the third party is manipulating, playing games, and I think they know something about you, or they know the relationship. I feel this way. A justice card is definitely coming, so definitely divine game is at the play. Divine will play their game, I can say that. Divine will play their game, and this third party is very trying to seduce your person. I could say that they are trying to seduce your person. They feel that this person is mine only, and I have the right on this person, and this is my justice. They feel this way. Third person is feeling this way, I'm telling. Third party is feeling this way, and they are trying very hard sensually. They are feeling very sensual. They are trying to seduce your person, I could say. They are trying to seduce your person, but a death card is coming. Just see, all these persons are praying in the front of the this person. So I definitely feel that some kind of transformation is going in your person's life, or the transformation will come in the life of the third party also. Because third party, however hard they try, because justice card is coming now. When justice card comes, even if they try to seduce your person, or if they try to win your person's heart, but the immediate card is death card. So definitely some kind of transformation will come in this person's approach, and whatever they are doing, they will realize that whatever they are doing is wrong, and this is not the right way to get the person back. They are definitely, they are thinking this transformation will come in this person's third person's life. Because see, all these persons are naked. When all these persons are naked, all their mask will come down, and they will realize what is the truth, and what works in front of God, and what doesn't works in front of God. They will realize that. That's the thing. Hope you are getting clarity what the third party is trying to do with your person, because they are trying very hard with your person. Let's see this. All this kind of person is they are holding a person very tightly. They don't want to lose a person at all. They don't want them to go away from them. They think that this is their love only. They definitely believe, third party definitely believes that your person is their love only, and they believe it completely. They completely believe in this thing, that they can't share their person to anyone else. They are very possessive also about your person. They don't want to share it with anyone else. This is for sure. Five of Rods, the Fool card, and the Two of Cups. The Five of Rods is coming, but I see definitely some kind of arguments, or some kind of mental conflict going in third party's life or your person's life. Because whenever they try to start a new beginning, or they try to come closer to each other, there is some kind of conflict between both of them. Definitely both are trying to come closer to each other. Even your person is making some efforts to mend the differences, and to make a new beginning, but every time they are trying to mend the differences and trying to move towards each other, there is some kind of fight and conflict between both of them, and because of them, that thing, they both are not able to come closer to each other. Third party will not be able to come closer to each other. I feel this way. See, back and forth again, your person is doing back and forth, and the third party is going back and forth. They don't know what is the future of this relationship. They are trying very hard. Fragmented energy. Just see, they are trying to solve this puzzle in their life. They know everything has been fragmented, everything has scattered in their life. Nothing is at their own place. They know how they see how the pieces of their heart are heart and their head and mind, everything is scattered. So they know, in order to bring their back their life on the track, they need to solve these puzzles and to for solve these puzzles, they need to bring everything on the place. For that they are generating power, and they are trying very hard, and they are trying to pay gratitude to the universe also. This is the kind of energy of third person. Third person is also trying very hard. I'm sorry to say this, but actually the third person is trying very hard, and let me see whether they will be successful in this or not. Oh sorry, so many cards coming out. Dolphin, dove, and see that the dreams, God is telling you that this is a card of angels, and I feel that what this is guidance is for you. So you are definitely dreaming about your person, and you have thought so many things about your person. So do believe in your dreams, don't give up. Whatever energy at present is going on may be temporary. The third person also has a right to try very hard. Even they are human beings, so even definitely they will also try. I think the relationship is mostly affected by children. Maybe some children factor must be there in the third party and their relationship. Because of that your person is not coming out. That is also quite possible. If that is not the case, then your person is having some childhood wounds or inner childhood wounds. Because of that your person is not able to take action towards you. And don't worry, be happy. These angels are telling you, don't worry, be happy, because whatever the situation is at present definitely will change in future. Because change is constant, though the third party is trying very hard, but don't worry, that change is definitely going to come, and your person will take a leap of faith. They will definitely take a leap of faith. So don't lose heart, even if the third person is trying very hard and your person is also getting little bit of inclined towards them. Then don't worry. See, again the child card is coming. I feel definitely something about the child is associated in your person's card. Maybe they have some child, because of that they are not your person is feeling restricted to take action, or because some childhood wounds. Because of that something or the other is getting, because of that your person is not able to choose a path properly, and they are not able to come towards you. And the community and family factor is also very important for your person. Maybe family or their parents or their friends, what they will say and what they will think about them. This is also the factor that is stopping your person from coming towards you. And this factors only is becoming the weapon of the third party, and they are trying to use these factors as a family and friends. For very first card also you could have seen that the family and friends they had the support of family and friends. I am telling you, third party had the support of family and friends. Because of that, and they are using this as a weapon against your person to stop them coming towards you. That's the main factor. But then things will change, don't worry. In future definitely things will change. Thank you friends for watching. Thanks a lot.